Guess the animal. One question, 5 seconds. Animal is known as the king of the jungle. Lion. Which animal is the largest in the world? Blue whale. Which bird can imitate human speech? Parrot. Which animal sleeps while standing? Horse. Which animal has a very long neck? Giraffe. Animal is known for its black and white stripes. Zebra. Which animal lives both on land and in water? Crocodile. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal carries its babies in a pouch? Kangaroo. Which animal has the longest trunk? Elephant. Which animal eats mainly bamboo? Panda. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin. Which animal has a hard shell? Tortoise. Which bird known for being wise? Owl. Good job, you really nailed this quiz. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quiz Now for more fun quizzes every week. Keep learning and keep enjoying. See you in the next quiz.